Hey guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Depends again on what time you're watching. This is Ron again from Wahpinas.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of the Sunsonic P11 10-inch tablet. Kung nakita nyo, we've already done the P10 before. I also bought it from Shopee. And this one I bought again from Shopee. It's for 3,999, but I was able to get it for less since I had a code. Okay? So the video is being captured now using the ano ba to? Verni Mix 2. Okay? Which I bought also online. So, as you can see, meron siyang back and screen protectors. Okay? Uh, this is the actual unit. We'll open it in a little while. Okay? Buksan natin yung box. Okay? The charger, there's a kasama siyang OTG cable. Okay? So, I assume it's OTG capable. There's a what's called this? Micro USB cable also for charging. Ang hindi ko maintindihan bakit ganito ang power cord niya, no? So, meron siyang ano ba to? Micro USB na nakakabit sa adapter to a small plug. Okay? It's 2 amperes yung charger, okay? Which is I think standard for most tablets out there already, okay? So, here's the actual tablet. Tagalin natin. Okay. So what I picked was the rose gold color. So makita nyo yan, Sunsonic. Okay. The model's P11 is supposed to be 32 gig. Okay. The main difference na nakita ko sa kanila, no, with the Sunsonic P10 and P11, yung P10, andito yon yung SD card, micro SD card slots, tapos yung camera niya, alam ko na sa kanan, sa taas. Ito na sa gitna yung camera, there's the camera. Okay, parang may nakatakip pang plastic, ano. Tapos here's the SD card slot and the SIM card slot. So, maliit lang siya, no. Wait, ito, meron siyang recess. Mali pala yung susunod ko. Okay. So, as you can see, micro SD, 2 SIM cards. I think the SIM cards are the normal size SIM cards, ano. So, hindi naman problema yon. When you buy a SIM card ngayon, hanggang nano yata na yung cut nila. Okay. So, the power button and the volume button is on one side. Same side as the headset jack. Okay. Which is along the same side ng kung nasaan yung slots. Okay. So, medyo focus si Verni Mix 2, no? So, I'm not sure what kind of camera they're using, but I think it's just a standard. Ito yung ano nila. Okay. So, yan, it's turning on. Let's wait for a while. It's supposed to be, according to Shopee, according to the description, okay? So, ayan po. This is the P9, one of the old phones I have. It's from Sunsonic Shopee. Nag-power on na mismo siya. It's supposed to be 32 gig ROM, okay? Dual camera, 2 megapixel yung camera sa likod. Mismo dalawa, may harap din, hindi dual camera. 0.3 megapixel front-facing camera. Battery size is supposed to be 5,000 milliamperes, no? And it's supposed to be Android version 6.0. Ang problema, doon sa P10, sabi nila 6.0, hindi naman siya 6.0 dumating, no? So, mamaya na tanggalin yung cover kasi magkakabit pa ako na dudumi. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to the about phone. Okay. Tingnan mo dito. Sabi dito, Android 7.0. Okay, so, it's a Nougat. Oh, Nougat siya. Okay, that means I can use this to stream. Okay. Ibig sabihin yung inaano kong pang-stream, pwede siya. Okay. System up to date, of course. Hindi siya nakakonect sa ano. Let's see the storage. Okay. So, storage use is 1.28 out of 32 gig. So, that means you have 30 gig left, ano. So, tingnan natin. Ito yung mga pre-installed. Parang same din sa nakita ko na P10, ano. May pre-installed na games. Itong Cut the Rope, Memory Training, Candy Crush, Skater Boy. May piano. So, I don't know why you would want to use your... Oh, galing ko, no? Marunong mag-happy birthday. Okay, so that's the ano. Tingnan natin yung camera. Nope, sa camera. Okay. So, yan yung rear view niya. Talagang malabo siya, no? Since it's only 2 gig. 2 megapixel. So, yan po yung quick unboxing for the Sunsonic P11. I like the P11 better than the P10 kasi number one, it's a nougat already. Okay? It's almost the same as pero wala siyang red color. Gusto ko yung red color. And it has only 30 GB left. Okay? So, thanks guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.